Okay guys, here it is. Here's the time to actually knock down the magic. So how do we fix, improve, and optimize the CEI KPI? How do we actually get the numbers that we're looking for? So I'm gonna introduce a concept to you guys that you guys probably have never heard. Make sure you're sitting down for this. But what this is gonna come back to is order to cash. I know you guys already know order to cash, right? Order to cash, you guys are dreaming about order to cash by now, right? You're daydreaming about it. But let's go into what part of order to cash. Order to cash, right now, we're gonna be looking for the CEI metrics. We're gonna be paying attention specifically to billing through collections. We wanna look at a smooth billing process and an effective collection process on the back end. Okay guys, just as a recap, so what this metrics is it measures the speed of converting accounts receivable to closed accounts, which then indicates new methods or procedures one can use to retrieve accounts receivables even more, right? So in other words, this is designed to really allow you to put a measuring stick on that billing and collection process to make sure that you're getting the most out of it. So if at any point in time you see that your CEI decreases, this is telling you that something is changing in your policies, in your procedures, in the department, and you really need to investigate it and find out what was tweaked. Did you guys do something over here that all of a sudden did this over here? Because that's really what you need to pay attention to. And this is why I always recommend that companies are checking this metric 6 to 8 times a year rather than 3 or 4 times, because the more you can check this metrics, the more in line you can be with what your end goals are.